May 2nd. What is it that you want? I'm taping your great popsicle tantrum of 2010. What is it that you want? No, you've already had one. You're not going to have one. What do you call them? No, you've already had a popsicle. You're not going to have another one. No? Well, that's a tantrum. That's not really very cool. That's not how you get what you want. Oh, let's use words. I don't understand what you're saying. Can you use words and tell me what you want? I'll help you. Are you just grumpy? You want to play with the buckle? There you go. Okay, play with the buckle. Are you done with your tantrum?